Cats can be very opinionated about taking medicine, and things can get a bit tricky very quickly. We'd like to show you a few tips and tricks that may help make the experience less stressful for you and your feline friend. While some kitties can learn to look forward to taking their medicine, there is no guarantee your cat will ever enjoy the experience. But hopefully we can get them to at least tolerate it instead of running away and hiding under the bed. Let's get started. Here we have some of the tools you can use when medicating your cat. A towel or blanket, a pet pillar, a helper, different forms of medication, and of course, their favorite treat.
Many common medications either come in liquid, tablet, or capsule form. Those that don't come in liquid form are typically able to be compounded and changed into a flavored liquid form. If your cat has a favorite treat or wet food, liquid medication can be added to these for hassle-free administration. You can also try opening capsules and pouring the contents into these treats. Pro tip: wet cat food and chicken or turkey baby food warmed in the microwave for a few seconds can make this even more appealing for your little kitty. Pill pockets or other soft treats that can be molded around a tablet are also useful in some cases. Finally, there are certain medications that can be applied to the skin, typically to the inside of the ear, and absorbed. These are known as transdermal medications, and it is always worth checking with your veterinarian to see if this is an option for your pet.
Have your helper comfortably but snugly hold the cat either on a table or in their lap. It does not matter if the cat is sitting or standing. What matters is that the cat is comfortable in that position. While your helper controls the body, you are free to give the medication. You can do this using either your fingers or a pet pillar, which is kind of like a tiny plunger that allows you to keep your fingers farther away from your cat's teeth. Notice how Dr. Terry is using her thumb and finger on either side of the cat's mouth and tipping the head back. When this happens, most cats tend to slightly open their mouth, and you can use your other hand to simultaneously lower the bottom jaw a bit and insert the medication. Aim to put the medicine as far back as possible in their mouth, unless otherwise instructed by the doctor. Then gently hold their mouth closed until they swallow. If using a pet pillar, rest it on the side of the cat's mouth to prevent it from going too far back in the throat. This is also the proper way to give a liquid medication. Okay, but once you have to put the medication in their mouth, how do you know they will swallow it? Try gently blowing on their nose or rubbing their throat to encourage them. Pro tip: be ready with one of their favorite treats, or even one you use only after they get their medication, to give immediately after they swallow. They can start to anticipate the treat coming after they get their medication, and this makes things easier on both of you in the future.
When you've got a slippery feline on your hands, it can help to place them in a kitty burrito before trying to give the medication. First, lay a towel or blanket on the table or floor long ways and place the cat facing one end. Fold the other end over the cat and bring the sides up. The wrap should be snug but not tight, just enough to keep them from wiggling out.
A note on cooperative care training. While we understand that life is busy, investing some time into training can go a long way in decreasing the stress associated with medicating your cat. Short sessions, at least once or twice a week, can help your cat become accustomed to being wrapped in a towel or licking food from a syringe. By creating positive experiences with these tools, you can help mitigate future anxiety for both you and your fabulous feline friend. Check out the following resources for more on cooperative veterinary care with your cat.
Thank you for taking the time to learn how to safely and compassionately medicate your cat. Pet parents like you that take time to learn how to improve their pets' lives are what makes part of our job so rewarding. If you have any further questions or would like more information about your cat's individual needs, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us here at Ankeny Animal and Avian Clinic. Bye for now.